New just listed home, 2860 North Powers Drive, Unit 134, Orlando, Florida, by No More Rosa, from the Military Veteran Team. This one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo offers 672 square feet of fully updated living space within the secure, dated Oak Shadows community in Orlando. Remodeled in 2022, this property features new vinyl flooring, a stylish upgraded kitchen with new appliances. The spacious layout includes a primary bedroom with easy access to the fully updated bathroom. Enjoy a large covered patio and fantastic community amenities like the sparkling pool and tennis courts. Conveniently located near major highways, this home is just 20 minutes from Universal and 35 minutes from Disney, providing incredible value. This gem won't last long. Act now.